Byte Brothers' new Pro-Tone wire locator kit is really a first-class tone generator probe kit. It uses the same probe that we've been shipping with our TVR and our real-world certifier for years. And it has just features packed into it that you're going to find very useful on the job. The probe itself has a built-in LED that can light up dark closets, has a volume control, has a real speaker, it's good and loud. It runs on a 9-volt battery, so it has long life. The tip on the probe is insulated. And it has 2 status LEDs. One status LED will light up when you have tone, and the other status LED warns you when you're around 60 cycles. So let's go ahead and use our Pro-Tone kit here to help me get a fax machine installed at this socket. First thing I'm going to do is take my tone generator and I'm going to see if there's any shorts on this line. So I'm going to flip it to the continuity position. Take my RJ45 plug, plug it in. Oops, no, this isn't RJ45, this is RJ11. Plug in my RJ11. There's no LED that lights, so I don't have any shorts on the line. I then am going to flip it to the off position to see if there is any central office voltage currently connected, and there is not. And these switch positions and what is on them is covered in this nice little chart called the red-green LED chart. And depending on the switch position, you can find out whether you have positive voltage, negative voltage, or AC voltage, and you can test for continuity like we did a few seconds ago. Give you a quick little look at the continuity test. Flip switch to continuity. Take these 2 alligator clips, touch them together, and if there is a short in the line, the LED will light green. Now remember I said we wanted to hook up a fax machine? Let's go ahead and turn this on to tone. Plug on in here, grab my probe, and we'll go to the punch down area and see where this cable surfaces. You can see our punch down block area is in the darkest part of the warehouse, so it's going to make our little ultra bright LED tip here really handy. And I'm just going to go scan here, listening for tone. And notice how quiet it is. It's because it's filtered. Oh, there we go. Oh, when you touch it, it really gets loud. Notice the green LED lights to show us there's tone. So right there at 007, this is where we're going to punch down our phone line, so we can drive the fax machine out of that jack in the office. Now another feature we can show off is the AC sensing LED, the red LED. Notice down here in the power area, I'm warned when the red LED goes off here that there's AC. Let's see if there's AC available at the end of this extension cord down here. Yes, indeed there is. So a nice little safety feature when I'm working in especially darkened areas where I want to stay away from the power. Now here I have a situation where I have multiple sockets, and I want to see if I have any live telephone lines on it. So let's take my RJ11 connector and let's look at this LED right here in the Pro-Tone. No, nothing in that socket. This one's labeled fax. No, nothing in that one. How about this one here? Oh, nothing here. Now here we have something plugged into it. Let's see what's on here. Sure enough, a green LED lights, meaning that's the correct polarity of DC voltage coming out of here. So I suspect that's either a PBX of some sort or just a central office voltage. So the Protone tone generator does a lot more for you in the field than just provide a good strong tone for the probe to pick up.